Next up, joining us both online from startup Erium, Diego, and corporate partner Danobat, Elena. Good morning, Diego.
Good morning, Jack. Can you hear me?
I can hear you loud and clear.
Wonderful. Production downtime costs European companies over 800 billion euros a year. Well, we are Erium, and we aim to reduce that number to absolute zero. The problem of production downtime is obvious. It is extremely costly. On the other hand, systematic preventive maintenance every week is also expensive. This happens because the modern production environment is extremely variable, and therefore the production environment equipment is highly complex. The only solution to master this complexity is to empower the user to predict and avoid failures himself and with ease. For that, we have developed Erium, our easy-to-use data science software for the industry. Erium is easy to use because it combines visual clarity and technical versatility. It has a visual mode with a graphical user interface where non-programming users can work, and an expert mode with a Python machine learning framework to implement advanced data science models. Erium is also tailored for the industry because we always start by creating the digital twin. The digital twin is a model of the production plant and its components, as you can see on the slide. The model is therefore based on your production knowledge and not on some black box that nobody understands. When applying the digital twin, you can start by doing some forensics in order to get insights from your data about your production. Then you can start doing database prediction, like we've done with our corporate partner here, Danobat, in order to predict the mechanical failures of some of their parts. Finally, you can use AI control to do real-time control of your production, like we have implemented in one of BMW's car body assembly line. However, we know that every company is different, and we are more than willing to adapt. So get in touch with us to discuss your ideal roadmap. But before that, join me in welcoming Elena Urquia from Danobat, with whom we had the chance to work in the context of Bind 4.0. Thank you.
Well, yes. I thought you had the presentation. Well, machine tool manufacturer Danobat was interested in working with Erium to develop functionalities on our advanced services. We work with Erium to develop algorithms that were able to warn about machine failures before they happened, based on the analysis of recorded past data of the machines. We wanted also to assess these algorithms to be able to evaluate how many failures they could detect, how early these failures could be detected, and how many false alarms did it raise. We have to say that as a result, we are very happy with the fast implementation and the interesting results that we got. We were able even to have a second round with new use cases to be tested. We also learned about the importance of recording the machine data with a format that is oriented to the later analysis that we wanted to make. And now for the future, we are already working in generalizing these algorithms to a bigger number of machines and problems, and also thinking about how to work together in business models that will give advantages as well to Erium as to Danobat, and when selling these developed functionalities to the market. Thank you very much.
Dankeschön, Diego. Gracias, Elena.